I don't technically know when I'm coming back yet.
Yeah.
I know fly home Saturday, get home Sunday, chill at family Monday, fly to California, do some testing,
Nice.
and see where we're at. You know, I can ride 30 minutes, sure.
Yeah.
Can I hammer 30 minutes yet?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, that was Justin Barcia being interviewed over in Italy at the 2024 GasGas Intro Rides, doing some stock bike riding, and it seems like having a good time. Obviously, he's been out for a very long time after his injury in Nashville, where he broke his collarbone, and then he got the plate broke, so he had a infection, and that sets everything back for a long time. So he even said himself, could he ride it? Sure. Could he push and be competitive for the whole, at least one race? Who knows? I personally would love to see him back because the 450 class, again, you just have to keep saying it's just not as exciting as it should be, as competitive as it should be. And do I think Justin Barcia is going to go out there and challenge Jet Lawrence? No, definitely not. But is he a solid top 5 guy, maybe pushing for podiums? Sure. And that's what you need. You just need more people out there. I hope he does come back. As far as I'm looking at it, dirtbikelover.com, a few other places too, talking about maybe Unadilla, but we'll see. I hope he does come back and obviously get healthy and fit and up to race pace for SMX and be competitive for that too. But in the comments below, you tell me, when do you think he's going to come back? If he does come back, where do you think he's going to finish? Top 5, top 10, podium, whatever it is. And I know Justin Barcia is a very yes or no topic for some people. Do you think, or not do you think, do you want him to come back? Are you happy if he comes back? Because I know a lot of people just don't like him. But whatever it is, leave it down in the comments below. As you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.